I took my daughter to Disneyland Paris for her 5th birthday. We were joined by my mom and mother-in-law, so it was a girls' getaway to Paris. So come along with us as we experience the magic of Disneyland Paris for the very first time. We are used to Disney World in Orlando, Florida, so I'm excited to see what's new and different here. So I'll start by saying that we were able to make this trip possible because I booked our flights on points. We had a small stash of Chase Ultimate Rewards points, which we transferred to Air France. I like Air France for flying to Europe because kids' fares, when you book them on points, are 25% off. And flying, our carrier this time was KLM. Flying with KLM was amazing. You can order a kids' meal on the website ahead of time, and they have little gifts for kids when you board the flight. So it's just an awesome experience for families. We flew into Charles de Gaulle Airport, and I had arranged ahead of time for the Magical Express shuttle. It's a third-party run thing, but it drops you off straight at the front doors of your hotel if you're staying on property at Disney, and it's really easy to find at the airport. This was a great experience for us. We didn't have to worry about navigating a train station with all of our luggage. We could put the luggage below and just relax and even take a little bit of a nap while we were on the shuttle. And then, like I mentioned, it dropped us right at the front doors. We stayed at the Disneyland Hotel in Paris, which was a bit of a splurge, but so worth it. We arrived at Disneyland Hotel around 1 p.m. and our room wasn't quite ready yet. Check-in time is 3 p.m., but we were able to drop off our bags, and there was this entertainment going on in the lobby of the hotel. Just one of the perks of staying at the Disneyland Hotel. And we even got to see Snow White, and all the kids got to take pictures with her if they wanted. So after dropping off our bags, we got passes to get into the parks, and we walked straight into Disneyland Park, which is literally steps away from the door of the Disneyland Hotel. And our first stop was to go directly into Sleeping Beauty's castle. It's really stunning inside. It's got these stained glass windows that tell the story of Sleeping Beauty. So we really just kind of walked around and enjoyed that for a little bit. But then you can also go underneath the castle, and there's this secret dungeon where you can see the dragon from Sleeping Beauty. It's super dark down there and could be a little bit scary for little kids, but it was really interesting to see and something different from the parks we have back home. All right, first ride in Disneyland Paris, Dumbo the Flying Elephants. Let's do this! Who is driving this thing?
We're gonna go down.
Oh, here we go, going down. How's your driving?
Good.
You're going up and down a lot?
Ready, we're gonna go down.
Oh, here we go. Oh boy.
Step out and proceed to the...
After we rode my daughter's favorite ride, which is the Dumbo ride, we walked back to the hotel to see if our room was ready yet because it was shortly after 3, and it actually wasn't quite ready, so they gave us a free fast pass to any attraction we wanted in the parks. We ended up choosing the Spider-Man web ride, which is different from anything we have back home again, and it typically has a long wait, but this one was located in Walt Disney Studios, which is the other park in Disneyland Paris.
The bot uses this.
Oh yeah, that's right. The lady at the front desk at the hotel told us to wait for a text that would let us know when our room was ready. So we had a little bit of time to kill in Walt Disney Studios, and we had so much fun just trying some of the different rides. Okay, we are about to ride the Slinky Dog roller coaster. Are you ready? Yeah! She's pumped. It's been a long day. We had a jet lag. We were on an overnight flight, and we made it all the way here. It's been a long day, but Disneyland Paris is the best. Let's talk about it. Are you ready?
Yeah.
What are we riding?
Slinky Dog.
Oh man, it's gonna be so awesome.
Bye.
Okay, bye. It's your birthday?
Yes.
How old are you?
5.
What? I thought you weren't allowed to turn 5.
I am!
I'm sliding around, are you?
Yeah.
you can tell, the Slinky Dog coaster here is a little bit different than the Slinky Dog roller coaster at Walt Disney World. This one is much more geared toward little kids, and we ended up loving it. Our room was finally ready, so we said goodbye to Walt Disney Studios for the night and headed back to our hotel to get our suitcases in our room and add a few layers to get ready for the fireworks show because it was getting chilly out. And here's a quick peek at the room we booked in Disneyland Paris. We had 2 queen-size beds, which was plenty of room for the 4 of us. So it was spacious. The beds were super comfy. There was coffee and tea to choose from, and there was this extra little sitting area, and that mirror actually turns into a TV if you need it. It was finally time for the firework and light show. Everyone crowded on Main Street, and we stayed warm with hot chocolate, and of course we tried some of the Mickey beignets, which had chocolate in them. I think they could have used a little bit more chocolate, but that's just me. Fortunately, Beatrice fell asleep in the stroller before the fireworks started, but we adults really enjoyed the show. It was pretty epic. We only booked one night at Disneyland Paris, so we got up early the next day and did early entry because we stayed on property, so we were able to get in the parks at 8:30.
To infinity and beyond.
My hands are cold. I have no pockets.
Do you have pockets?
I think you do. You do.
Way back here.
This has been on for a minute. What have I been recording?
I don't know. Number?
No, I don't think they have numbers. Pretty cool, huh?
The best curtsy.
Okay, what horse are you gonna pick?
I don't know. Yeah.
So many horses here.
Mine has handles on it.
Oh. Oh, look at them spin.
Okay, let's go the other way.
Oh boy. I can't take the spinning. Actually, I can. It's fine.
Go the other way.
How's that muffin working out for you? Nothing. It says welcome in every language. Mermaids? Whoa. What do you think?
This is so cool, Mom.
I know, honey.
Mom, they're riding on something.
That
Look
is
at that. Look at that.
Oh my goodness. Is that Nutella? Oh, so good. Waffle with Nutella. All right, it's a video, so you can say something if you want.
Hi, we're at Disneyland Paris. We're going to the magic carpet ride, and that's
I got double ears on. I love you. I love you so much.
going on the magic carpet ride. So it's our turn. Bye.
All right. You were fabulous.
Don't you think I'm right? That's once again true for all except you. You got me? Let's call it a night. Good night. Don't let the frost bite.
Je vais vous apprendre les mouvements magiques de la reine Elsa. Oh oui, vous avez bien entendu. I'm about to teach you Queen Elsa's special move. It's so good to see you.
That's what you call an entrance.
By this time, it was getting close to 4 p.m., and we wanted to make sure to make it back to Paris before dark so we could check into our hotel there. So we let Beatrice pick one last ride to finish our super fun birthday trip to Disneyland Paris. Can you guess what she picked?
Besties.
Hey, it's our last ride at Disneyland Paris. How are you feeling about it, Birdie?
Bad.
Bad? Are you sad to leave?
Yeah.
I know, me too. But let's have so much fun on this ride, okay?
Yeah.
Flying high, girl.
It's time to say goodbye to Disneyland Paris, but we have 3 more days in Paris itself to explore and enjoy each other's company. We took the RER A train back into Paris, and then once in Paris, we did have to switch to a local metro to get closer to our hotel, but the RER A train was super easy to take, spacious, and lots of room. Be sure to check back for our 3-day Paris itinerary coming out soon.